Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have my first episode of my under 5-minute reviews, and I'm starting with the Batiste Dry Shampoo Hint of Color for Dark Hair that I've just used. And this product has been a favorite for a few months, and I've already been through, I think this is the third can. So I've been buying this one on Notino for around €4.10, €4.50, and this is a can of 200 milliliters. So as any dry shampoo, this one is especially good if you have excess of oil on your roots. And I started using this one because I've been losing some hair and I would start seeing my scalp. I'm already a big fan of Batiste, but this one also helps to hide your scalp or even cover the roots if you have coloration or some white hairs. And this one is exceptionally good because it doesn't leave any white residue. So this is a dry shampoo with a dark brown color, and as you can see, I have pretty dark hair and that white residue is very annoying. So this one leaves a beautiful color on the hair. Also, this one does give a little bit of volume without being too excessive, and still it leaves the hair feeling very smooth. Some dry shampoos that have a volume effect do leave a kind of hairspray texture, but this one doesn't. And also I feel like this does absorb the excess of oil, and the fact that it doesn't have that white residue, it still maintains the natural shine of the hair, which I think looks beautiful. The smell of this dry shampoo is good. From Batiste, I still prefer the cherry smell, but I've really fallen in love with this one because of the color, and it also smells very nice. So the way that I use this is I spray some of it on my hair, on one side and the other, and even at the front, and I give it a nice massage. Usually I do it with my head upside down, but for the sake of this video I filmed it upright. And I'm most oily on the front, but then if I need some on the back, I also put it there. And then I brush through my hair, which leaves a beautiful finish. One disadvantage I've noticed with this is that it does stain your fingers when you're massaging it, but it easily washes off. But I also haven't noticed any dry shampoo stains on my pillows, so I feel like that transfer from the product is not too evident. And even with my scalp, you can see it like this, that is much better covered. And I feel like this one is also really nice for when you do those very high up ponytails. Sometimes you get a little bit of scalp showing like this, and I just cover it with this dry shampoo. So the Batiste dry shampoo for dark hair, I definitely recommend it. They also have a version for lighter brunette and blonde, and I will leave this one linked in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried it. And if you'd like to see more reviews under 5 minutes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.